And we're live. You can go.
Buongiorno everybody. Welcome to Chiosco Normeggio. I'm Alessandro Pavoni from north of Italy, and I'm gonna cook an amazing pasta today, which I'm gonna use this unique cut from Barilla. It's called Risoni, which someone confused risoni with riso. Riso is rice, risoni is actually pasta. But we're gonna cook the risoni as it would be a risotto. So it's a very special way to cook it. Also in Sardinia they use fregola with this technique, risottata, which is a very similar thing. So we're gonna do risoni with zucchini, saffron, which I have been already soaking in white wine. We have the prawns, which is this one, this baby here. This is a U6 prawns, which I already cut. I'm gonna show you how to cut in a minute. Some parsley, some butter, some echalot. With all the trimmings and the shelf of the prawns, I'm gonna show you how to do an amazing stock. Right? First of all, I wanna start the risoni on the way, and then I'll show you how to do the stock. Okay? So we do start with a medium heat. I'm gonna put my echalot in there. Right? Chopped finely. C'è lì dell'olio, te? Ah no, ce l'avevo pure. Extra virgin olive oil. Be generous. You have a recipe there, so you have the perfect amount. And then we're gonna start and do soft the onion and cook them, but I don't wanna have any color. So they have to be white because I don't want these little burnt pieces inside there. So don't forget the white wine. I've been heated it, and then I pour it over the saffron. I don't want to add any ingredient from the fridge. Everything should be at room temperature. Here is the stock, which is also warm. Okay, you see it start frying gently. For about a minute or so. So you can see we're not burning, we're only softening up. And then I'm cooking for my mom today, so I do a generous one for my mom, one for my wife, one for me, yeah, and one for the rest of the world. So I'm gonna toast it a little bit, make it slightly hot. Alright? Don't forget, don't burn it, just toast it a little bit. And then I'm gonna add my stock. And I'm gonna get it cooking. I'm also gonna add a little bit of actually all my zucchini. I'm gonna make sure that I don't have any pasta on the edges of the pan. Yeah. And I'm gonna let it, like simmering like that, slightly more. And in a minute I'm gonna check it. Now I wanna show you how to clean the prawns. This is a beautiful Yamba prawns from northern New South Wales. I'm gonna pull the shell just like that. Right? I'm gonna take the head off. Now with the prawns, I'm gonna cut it through the middle all the way. And I'm gonna hold this intestine line. I'm gonna throw it away. And please attention, I don't wash the prawns because I think it's disgraceful people that wash the prawns. You wanna have all the flavor there, and I put it with the rest of the prawns over there. Now, also I wanna show you the zucchini. The zucchini I'm gonna trim the edges, right? And then I'm gonna keep the edges. Here I have a mirepoix of, there is celery, carrots, onions, zucchini trimming, some cherry, some was tomato. Now when I cut this, I do usually use only the meaty part, and the seedy part I put it on the wastage. Right? So the seedy part in the middle and contain seeds and water, good for flavor, for the stock. See, this is going a little bit too hard, so I'm gonna put it down a little bit. When the stock is absorbing, I'm gonna add a little bit more stock. Right, and I'm gonna check it is not sticking to the bottom. Because usually with risotto I wouldn't mix, but the pasta stick a little more, so I mix it. Okay? Now you keep going with this one. You just make little, how you call it, little squares, little dice. All right, and then okay. We already did this before, so it's fun. Keep mixing this. Giuseppe, hai un mattarello senza, quello dritto senza ganci. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put my stock pot, I'm gonna put my prawns shelving. Grazie. And my friend Giuseppe give me his rolling pin. I'm gonna smash the head of the prawns. Just like that, to get all the flavor coming out. You need all that flavor coming out from the prawns like that. Smash them properly. Then you add your vegetable mirepoix. I'm gonna fill it up with water. And then this one you basically put this one with 10 grams of salt each liter of water. You put it on the fire. I'm burning the pasta. You put it on the fire. You bring up to boil, and you simmer for 20 minutes. And then you turn it off and rest it for another 20 minutes, and then you strain it, and here you go. That's what you're gonna obtain. Okay. Now this pasta I cooked it yesterday as well with the gorgonzola. I did yesterday with gorgonzola, a little bit of balsamic vinegar on top. It was amazing. So you gotta keep looking at it. I'm gonna add my saffron slowly. Donate this beautiful color as well. Okay, so we're gonna everyone, and then you're gonna taste if the pasta is cooked. Nearly there. I will add extra salt. Giusto?
Mi dai 2 piatti bianchi di quelli bianchi? O 3?
Anche un vari, grazie. Piacere. Okay. Giuseppe's out there cooking and smelling me out. So you see, basically the water is absorbing and the pasta is sucking up all those flavor and releasing the starch, which is gonna make it nice and creamy. You see the texture? Now, the prawns, I put it at the last second. I don't want the prawns to overcook. It will be a last second when we rest it. Okay, we're nearly there. Nearly there. Let me taste. Cooking. like salt. I'm a salty man. Now we're gonna let this stock to absorb and then we'll be much ready, okay? So everything nice and then I'm gonna show you the technique after when we finish. Okay. Okay, we let him absorb until it's dry and creamy, yeah? Make sure that you take all from the edges all the time.
So how long does it take to cook the risoni as a risotto?
Just it's ready now, so it's about 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
11 minutes to be exact. You see that? I like that. Turn off. Add the prawns. Stir the prawns through. Now the flavor of the prawns is already there because we made the stock. So this prawns here is for texture and extra flavor, but I don't want to overcook. I want to have a gentle flavor, gentle heat go through the prawns. I got my parsley here, chopped parsley, and I have a little bit of butter, and then I'm gonna just gently fold it through. Touch more stock. Touch more extra virgin olive oil. Some people like also pepper. Okay. I'm pretty happy. Let me taste it before I serve it. Mamma mia. Touch of salt. Bit more oil. Beautiful. Now, very simply, I'm gonna put it in the middle of the plate. So, now, this I learned from my mom. Now we're gonna do it nice and wide. And then when you eat it, you eat from the outside in, so it cools down on the edges and it keeps warm until you're in the middle like a circle. Buon appetito! Ciao!
Delicious.